Hi, I'm Paula Samson. I am an international student. I am currently studying Certificate III in Individual Support. I choose Certificate III in Individual Support because I believe that working in an aged care is very rewarding for myself. And I choose IHNA because they offer high quality training for students. I've been studying here for 4 months and I can say that I learned a lot and I didn't realize that time flew so fast with positiveness. I really admire how my educator is knowledgeable enough for this course because of her first-hand experience in an aged care, and because of that it allows us to have a peek, or it allows us to what more likely is going to happen or expect in an aged care. This course offers a simulation-based assessment which can help us to improve our practical skills needed for a placement as a student. IHNA doesn't just teach you to pass your assessments, but it prepares you for real work and real people. It takes a lot of effort, but it's very rewarding.